So my final project proposal for CS 165 is a football player stats, like where you can see a bunch of football player stats and do a whole bunch of things. I'm John Winborn. Application description and why. This is going to allow users to see football player stats, make it easy to compare players. And I looked it up, and ESPN and NFL have done this basically. Um, but I'm gonna try to be a little bit different. Uh, and other sites have done this. I looked that up because I thought of the idea. I'm like, oh, these guys have definitely done it before. But I'm gonna try to put my own spin on it. And I'm doing this because I like to play fantasy football with my friends, and I want to win the next football season. Um, and hopefully making this will help me do that. Some features that are going to be in it. Filters that can be used together and turned off and on, or they can be used by themselves. And the filters are going to be teams, um, what year they played, positions. They can search by name and search by like stats and average fantasy points if possible. And age, search by age as well. Um, and in my wireframes, you'll see that. And then I also want to, my own spin is the thing that I want to make it how it's going to be different from ESPN and NFL stat websites are I want to have it be able so you can like click a player and add it to like a favorite list and have all your favorite players in one spot. And that's if I have the time. I really want to have the time to do this, so hopefully I can do this. Um, yeah, I really want to be able to do that. Um, and then languages, frameworks, and libraries and database. I'm going to be using React because it's what we've been using for the class. Um, Thinking about it now, I might use TypeScript. I haven't used TypeScript ever, but I might try it out because that's what this week's topic is on. Use CSS and HTML, of course, for um, framing and styling. And then for the database, I'm thinking about using Firebase slash Firestore, um, only because I know about it and I know how to use it kind of. Um, I've just used it a little bit before and took a little course on it. So I feel like that would be my best bet for the database. Um, and just do the back end work for me. But if you have a better suggestion or idea, I'm really open to it. I'm gonna use GitHub for to save everything and deploy it. And I'm not sure what libraries I'm gonna need yet. But I'm sure once I start it, I'll run into what libraries I need. And then the API I found that works good for this is sportsdata.io. It's really easy to sign up. It was free. Um, and it gives a lot of stats, not just for NFL, but a bunch of sports. And it gives more than just like the data I need, like betting info. I'm not going to be working with that, but I thought that was interesting. And just all the stats for all the players, which makes it easy. And then this is my first wireframe, and it's the filter and search page. Um, we got the title at the top with the search bar below it, the filters underneath that, which you can click on and change. And then when they search, it's going to update the 9 players up front, and I'm probably gonna have like a load more button or something. Um, yeah, and I'm thinking about having the player, and their name, and like maybe like their age, team, season, uh, listed where the lorem is, with like position, and then their photo is gonna go along with it, just to make it look nice and see know who you're looking at. Uh, yeah, I really like this one. And then wireframe 2 is going to be the player details. When you click a player, I want it to come up with this, and it's going to have the photo of the player, their name, position, age, um, current teams and past teams, last season played, to show if like they're still playing or not. And then it's just gonna show like their stat lines and have it filtered by years. I feel like that's really, I really, you need that. I feel like, um, and I feel like maybe have like a search by average or like, um, uh, we'll see. But yeah, and then the favorite button to add them to your favorites, of course. Um, and then this is my saved players. Um, looks like it went off the screen, but you're not missing anything. Just favorites, and then it's gonna show your favorite players, and clicking those should go make you go back to this page. Um, and I think I'm gonna treat the favorite players kind of like a cart, like add this item to cart, but instead of item, it's gonna be a player, and then it's gonna send them to uh, send the player to here. Um, but yeah, that's my project proposal. Uh, Let me know if anything I should add or anything I should use. Um, yeah, thank you.